Moving on to question number 9. Length, breadth, height of cuboid is given in ratio form, that's 6:5:4. SA, or you can say TSA, of the cuboid is given as 592 meters square. So first of all, this ratio, we'll convert it with x. Let length, breadth and height be equal to 6x, 5x and 4x. So what are you supposed to find? You have to find the length, you have to find the breadth, you have to find the height, and finally you have to find the volume. So let's write, because TSA is given, so we'll write the formula of TSA. TSA of cuboid is 2 LB BH HL. Put the value of TSA is equal to 2 LB, that's 6x and 5x, plus 5x and 4x, plus 4x and 3x. Now how do we solve it? This side remains same. 6 into 5 is 30 and x into x is x square, plus 5 into 4 is 20 and x into x is x square, plus 4 into 6 is 24 and x into x is x square. Adding all this, 30, 20 and 24, we get 74x square. 2 into 74 is 148x square. Keeping x square here, 148 will be taken to the other side. It was being multiplied, and when you shift it to the other side, it has to divide. On dividing and on reducing, the value of x, this is x square. You get the value of x square as 4. And x is, removing this square, just root the other side under root 4, and the value of x is equal to 2. Now length 6x, that's 6 into the value of x, 12 meters. Breadth is 5x, 5 into 2, 10 meters. Height is 4x, 4 into 2, that's 8 meters. And finally the volume of cuboid, L into B into H, 12 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 8, that is 960 meters cube. Question number 10 is exactly like the 8th question that we've done. There is one assembly hall. There is a window in the hall. There are doors in the hall. Dimensions of the hall are given. Dimension of one window is given. And dimension of one door is given. So you have to, like these are the 3 parts you have given. You have to decorate the walls. So you have to find the area of the walls. And the cost is given. We'll multiply it with the cost. You have to carpet the floor. You have to find the area of the floor. And then multiply it with the cost. You have to paint the ceiling, so you have to find the area of the ceiling and then multiply it with the cost that is given. Let's check the solution now. So starting with assembly hall, area of 4 walls, apply the formula, putting the values. The area of 4 walls is 2000 meters square. Now window, area of the window, length into breadth, that's 4.5 meters square, and total there are 5 windows. So area of 5 windows will be whatever is the area of 1 multiplied with 5. That's 22.5 meters square. Now door dimensions, area of one door is L into B, that's 3 into 2, 6 meters square. And in total there are 3 doors. So whatever is the area of one door will be multiplied with 3, that's 3 into 6, 18 meters square. And finally, area to be decorated, because to find the cost of decorating, we need to find out what area is to be decorated. And when we decorate the walls, we'll be excluding the windows as well as the doors. Although it's not mentioned, but we have to decorate the walls only. So we have to exclude the windows and doors. So from area of 4 walls, subtract the area of 5 windows and area of 3 doors. We get as 1959.5 meter square. And to find the cost of decorating the walls, the cost that is given multiplied by the area to be decorated. That is this. So 15 multiplied by 1959.5, rupees 29392.50. Second part, you have to carpet the floor. So first find out area of the floor, and we have to carpet the floor of the room. So room length into breadth, because the formula of area is length into breadth. So multiply length and breadth, we get as 2475 meter square. And then cost of carpeting the floor is the cost that is given to you multiplied by area of the floor, that is rupees 30 into 2475, which is rupees 74250. And for the last part, you have to find the cost of painting the ceiling. So you have to find area of the ceiling. Again, ceiling is the top part of the room. That's length into breadth. Again, same only 55 into 45, 2475 meters square. And to find the cost of painting the ceiling, the cost that is given to you will be multiplied by the area of the ceiling. That's 20 into 2475, which comes as rupees 49500. Okay, number 11 question. Area of 3 adjacent faces of a cuboidal box is given. Area of first face, area of the second face, and area of the third face. You have to find the volume of the box. We all know that to find volume it is L into B into H. So basically we require length, breadth and height. Now let's check the solution. Suppose this is a box, that's face number 1, face number 2 and face number 3 suppose. So face number 1, this is the length and breadth. Face number 2, this is the breadth and this is the height. And face number 3, this is the length and the height. So area of face number 1 is, because area is L into B, 270 centimeters square. Face 2, now here you can consider any side as any face as 1, 2 and 3. Face 2, B into H, that is 162 centimeters square. And face 3 is H into L, which is 135 centimeter square. We all know that volume of box is L into B into H. So here these are all the three values given, L, B, H, all given in this. So L into B, B into H and H into L. That's equal to 270 multiplied by 162 multiplied by 135. Now that's face 1, face 2 and face 3. Now we have L twice. That becomes as L square, not 2L, because we are multiplying. So when we add L plus L, just see the difference. L plus L is 2L and L multiplied by L is equal to length square. So that comes as length square, breadth square and height square is equal to, no need to multiply, keep them as it is. And 2 is common, so we'll put LBH, because for volume we require LBH only. Taking 2 common, write it as it is. Now the square is removed from this side and the other side will be put under the root. Now I didn't multiply here, directly I found out the calculated the square root of 270 and 162 and 135, and from that I found that I got 2 twice, 3 was given 10 times and 5 was given 2 times. And now making the pairs of the common numbers and choosing one from each pair, LBH is 2430. So therefore LBH is nothing else but the volume. Therefore the volume of the box is 2430 centimeter cube.